Kalyan Singh, who died at a Lucknow hospital aged 89 on Saturday, was among the BJP's tallest leaders who combined both caste politics with that of Hindutva, becoming Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh twice. His most enduring legacy, though, shall remain the demolition of the Babri Masjid under his watch.
An outpouring of grief for former UP Chief Minister Kalyan Singh, who died aged 89 at a Lucknow hospital on Saturday from prolonged illness, led by Prime Minister Modi, who flew down from Delhi to pay his respects.
देश ने एक मूल्यवान शख्सियत, एक सामर्थ्यवान नेता खोया है। हम उनके भरपाई के लिए उनके आदर्शों, उनको संकल्पों को लेकर के अधिकतम पुरुषार्थ करें और उनके सपनों को पूरा करने में कोई कमी न रखे। मैं भगवान प्रभु श्री राम को उनके चरणों में प्रार्थना करता हूं कि प्रभु राम कल्याण सिंह जी को अपने चरणों में स्थान दे और प्रभु राम उनके परिवार को इस दुख की घड़ी में इस दुख को सहन करने की शक्ति दे।
Kalyan Singh, a two-term UP Chief Minister in the 90s, though he could not complete either term, will be remembered most for the demolition of the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya in 1992 under his watch. Mr. Singh resigned as Chief Minister immediately following the demolition of the mosque in Ayodhya on the 6th of December, while the centre also dismissed the Uttar Pradesh government the same day. The incident is widely viewed as a milestone in modern India's socio-political history and in the rise of Mr. Singh's party, the BJP. Kalyan Singh, known within the BJP and outside as someone capable of playing both Mandal and Kamandal politics. Mr. Singh was later charged with conspiracy over the incident along with other BJP stalwarts like L.K. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi before being acquitted last year by a Lucknow court. Months after an order by the Supreme Court paved the way for the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. In a 2009 interview to NDTV, Mr. Singh had strongly defended his role in the incident, rubbishing the conspiracy charges and calling the demolition of the masjid a spontaneous outpouring of sentiment.
ये कहना कि साजिश थी, साजिश बिल्कुल नहीं थी। ये सैकड़ों साल से करोड़ों हिंदुओं की कुचली गई भावना का स्वतः स्फूर्त विस्फोट था, जो 6 दिसंबर 1992 को उस घटनागृह में सामने आ गया है। हमने सुरक्षा के सारे प्रबंध किए थे। ये सच है कि उसके बावजूद भी ढांचा टूट गया। तो इसमें मेरा इतना ही कहना है कि कई बार ऐसे मौके आते हैं कि सुरक्षा के इंतजाम रखे रह जाते हैं और घटना घटित हो जाती है। मैं मजबूत मुख्यमंत्री था, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है। एक मैंने कह दिया था, मैंने कहा लाखों कार से वो मौजूद हैं, उन पर गोली नहीं चलेगी, ये मेरा आदेश था। और इसमें अधिकारियों का कोई कसूर नहीं है। अधिकारियों ने तो मेरे आदेश का पालन किया कि गोली नहीं चलेगी। क्यों? कि गोली अगर मैं चलवा देता तो हजारों लोग मारे जाते, स्टैम्पीड में मारे जाते, गोली से मारे जाते।
Kalyan Singh was born into a Lodh OBC family, the same community the BJP is now trying to woo by elevating many members from OBC communities to the union cabinet and perhaps also accommodating them in Yogi Adityanath's cabinet reshuffle that is due in the next few days. Born in Western UP's Aligarh district in 1932, Mr. Singh had a remarkable political career. Two-time UP Chief Minister, multiple-term MLA starting 1967 and two-term MP. In his active years, Mr. Singh successfully straddled the politics of both caste identity and Hindutva, contributing to the rise of the BJP in UP in a big manner. Kalyan Singh also had his fallouts with the BJP, leaving in 1999 after a tiff with then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He returned in 2004, became a Lok Sabha MP, but again left in 2009, unhappy with ticket distribution. Mr. Singh fought the 2009 Lok Sabha polls as an independent candidate and won. All this while, he was known to have been a pragmatic politician, maintaining a healthy friendship with arch rivals like Mulayam Singh Yadav as well. Mr. Singh returned to the BJP again and was made the Rajasthan governor in 2014, a post he served till 2019. Kalyan Singh's body will be cremated by the Ganga on Monday near his Western UP hometown. With Sanket Upadhyay, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.